lunch before pulling?
We have.
Yeah, I guess. That's what I'm doing. Kind of stuck here, so.
We have a bit of a situation here. But it's all fun.
Don, you're on camera. Report what's happened.
He's having lunch down there and
ask him how he likes Horsey Creek down there.
God. And it is the creek. Always. Okay, I'm sinking.
Are you hoarse, Don?
Why do you need that water? You're right in the you're in the spring water.
Yeah, fill my bottle up while you're down there.
Yeah.
It's probably better water than in that bottle.
I agree. Well, like I said, guys, this normally doesn't take 2 hours to get to this spot. Oh,
sure not.
But
just a quick drive up here, and then you go play up there, right?
To that draw to your right is the creek. That you go up through that draw. You can also go up through the draw up through there. There's another area up there. Okay, we're signing off. We're gonna eat lunch and wait till everybody gets re-energized, and then everybody will have energy to get to pull Don's sled out. Right, Don?